Well, greetings from Maho Beach here in St. Martin, and wow, what another beautiful day. Standing seaside here and just kind of strumming on the guitar and having a little bit of fun. It's what it's all about, right? Get away and do this. It just kind of motivated me to put some summer songs out there. So at least that's what I'm telling everybody. I just came here to record some summer songs, but got a lot more out of it. So I'll share some of the B-roll with you. And, well, we'll get back to the tourist trap. It's Ohio Jimbo, and I'm here in the Caribbean because I wanted to do some summer songs. And I figure that if you're going to do some summer songs around the pool or even around the campfire, the greatest place to come and show you some of these songs is here in the Caribbean. So, beautiful backdrop here. We're just kissing the morning sun, and one of the first things I want to talk about was a travel guitar. Now, a travel guitar is a great thing to have wherever you go, so if you can take it out. Now, here's the cool part. You can get a hard case for these, but a soft case is one of the best things to use for it because it's easy to carry around, and it's a carry-on. Most airlines will allow you to have a personal item, a carry-on, which is your backpack, and if you have any medical supplies, you need to have medical supplies with you. So those are three separate things you can carry on. These fit in overheads. They fit in the overhead. So, and this is a Martin, mini Martin. And I look gigantic with this guitar because it's a smaller guitar, 3/4 size guitar, but it's better than taking a full-sized instrument with you. So you can take these mini Martins. There's also baby Taylors and a few other ones. I've found some really little crappy ones that you can get for just a few bucks someplace. I'm talking like $100 or something, and they're okay. But when you get the humidity, especially like here in the Caribbean, it doesn't hold tune long. Well, none of these really do. You got to fight with it a little bit, get them adjusted. But the Mini Martin is a great guitar to carry on. Now I have mine. This has been signed by so many people, literally. I've got Eddie Money, and I've got Mickey Thomas from Foghat. I've got all kinds of people. I'm sorry, for Slow Ride. I've got all kinds of people that have played on here and literally have signed this guitar. And well, you can kind of look at it here. Here we go. See, it's just got names all over it. And I do that because wherever I travel, sometimes I'll get the stamps, the passport stamps, but they don't do many of those anymore. So anyway, it's great to carry a guitar along with you, and you'd be surprised. When you walk out on the beach and you pick up one of these guitars, it gathers a small crowd. They're not going to come around and pitch blankets and stuff, but they kind of wonder what you're doing with the guitar on there. And they'll sit around and yell out a song or two, and it's just fun to try to pry it. But it also works in your favor too. So if you're sitting back and playing, sometimes if you're just wanting to practice, it's a great way to get a touch on a crowd. You can be playing a song and people that are passing by don't want to bother you. A lot of times they don't, but you can see them smile or nod their head, and you got a good grade on that. So anyway, have fun with it. Take a guitar, travel with it, enjoy yourself. It's all about having fun, and it's nothing more than if you can take this out with you, you can learn so much more. And when you're in a different environment, it's a great place to do it. So, key factors, get a case. Now I'm gonna show you mine, wait a second. See, I've got a small case here. This is a soft case, and it literally has got a soft pack inside it. So it's a great thing to have with you so that you can pack your guitar. Most sensitive part is the neck. So if you do want to put anything in there, you can put something in there to make it rigid on the neck. Some people say wrap a t-shirt around it. Tune it down just when you're getting ready to fly. Take that and listen to it, and then just tune that string all the way down. Just let it just drop so that all the strings are loose. You just don't want them tight when it's up in the air. And then when you get back to land, go to tune it up. And like I said, humidity does affect the tuning on these things. So there's so many different factors that go into flying, and your stress levels at an all-time high. That's what you don't need. So the guitar takes a lot of stress away from you, and it allows you to just take this with you, and get to your destination, sit down and play a couple songs, and you'll be surprised. I know sometimes you think to yourself, well, no one wants to hear me play. No, they do. They got to see your confidence. So get out there and play, even if it's just 3 chords. Now see, I got to get this thing back into tune, but it's all about having fun, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to kind of give you a couple lessons of some summer songs, and we're going to get into, yeah, you're going to hear some Jimmy Buffett, and there's going to be a couple of other songs, but let's get into a couple of summer songs. And all you got to do is just make sure, if you haven't yet, subscribe so you know when these songs are released, because unfortunately this isn't live. If this were live, I'd be playing it now and you'd be hearing it now, but I'm playing it now. Probably by the time you're seeing this, it was a couple weeks ago, but at least we'll be in spirit together here in the Caribbean. So let's get into this and have some fun with it. And if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.